What up, guys? It's your boy kingjoffyjoe413 back with another one. What's going on, guys? How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me, chilling like always. Today, another Wednesday, you know what I'm saying? Like, running out of ideas, you know what I'm saying? We running out of ideas. It's like, hold on. I see the new shirt though, right? Woohoo! The carbon fiber helmet on there. Yes, you can get yourself one. kingjoffyjoe413.com. You know what I'm saying? Make sure you ride safe. All right. kingjoffyjoe413.com, get you a shirt, you know what I'm saying? We got new merch coming out all the time, trying out new stuff, you know what I'm saying? So, if you want one, you know where to get it. Like I said, kingjoffyjoe413.com. But, like I was saying, products for the mods, you know what I'm saying? We run out of ideas for mods. So, you know what I'm saying? We keeping our eye open, keeping our ear to the ground, you know what I'm saying? Trying to find new stuff all the time. And guess what happened? You know what's popped up? New Rage Cycles. New Rage Cycles. Y'all know about New Rage Cycles, huh? Or you don't? If you don't know about New Rage Cycles, what they got is they got taillights. You know what I'm saying? They make like fender eliminators for motorcycles and stuff like that. So you want to take your fender off and get a fender eliminator. That's what they do. They make those. You know what I'm saying? It's a new rage. It's the new rage all out here. You know what I'm saying? So what they got here for? They stepped into the Ryker game. They said Rikers is popping. They coming up big. Boom! Hopped into the Ryker game. So they sell a license plate eliminator. They do sell one of these you can get from them. But, so, one problem a lot of people are saying they like the look of the removed rear fender. You know what I'm saying? They don't like the fender. Oh, let's get that rear fender off there. They like that. So, a lot of people are like, yo, only thing is, when I remove my fender, what am I going to do with my light? You know what I'm saying? So, I showed y'all already. I did the light, the eBay light, the little floating joint. You know what I'm saying? Y'all seen that? Y'all seen Shadow Black? He had his, Rolling on 3 podcast from Shadow Black. Y'all seen his light? He got the little red light here that he had on his joint, and then I came up with the little blinker one. You know what I'm saying? We always upgrading each other's mods. You know what I'm saying? But New Rage said, yo, we gonna go to the next level. You know what I'm saying? What we gonna do is we gonna make something that goes there for people that's eliminating their tail. You know what I'm saying? You wanna eliminate your tail? You're gonna hit up newragecycles.com and get you one of these lights. Yo, I'm telling you, had it on the bike already. Took a look at it. It's a beautiful thing. It's a beautiful thing. Quick, easy install. You know what I'm saying? So it comes in here, got nice foam. You know what I'm saying? It comes with a little card with the instruction, with tells you to go to their website to find instructions. But when I went to their website, you go to the website, you got a little card that says instructions. So you go to the website, I didn't see no instructions for Candy and Ryker. So I'm gonna make you guys a little video, you know what I'm saying? But the thing is, I'm not gonna show you how to take the whole fender off because I've done that already. I did it in a previous video and then I lost the footage, but I did another video explaining how to do that. So we'll put a card in so you can go to the video to show you how to do that. And then you can hop back into this video and we'll show you how to install the New Rage light. You know what I'm saying? It comes with some zip ties. It comes with the light. And guess what? Plug and play. You know what I'm saying? So like you guys see my install of the light, I had to tap in the wires. New Rage said no. We making this user friendly. What you're gonna do is you're gonna screw it up with 2 screws. What you're gonna do if you have a max mount with if you have a rally, that means you have a max mount, and if you have a rally, you definitely got the wing. So if you got that right there, there's 2 screws underneath the bottom that you're gonna have to take out, and you're gonna put those inside here. That's gonna hold your light up. If you don't have a rally, and you have to buy a max mount, and then you can put this in here. You can use 2 screws. If you already have a max mount and it's not a rally and you don't have this black thing here, the little wing thing, you probably don't have those 2 screws there, but there's 2 holes there, so you can probably go to Lowe's, Rocky somewhere, grab your 2 screws, throw them up in there. There's no screws with this product here, so because the rallies come with them already, so. And you're gonna need, this is a max mount thing. And really, you don't really wanna, I don't think you're gonna really wanna eliminate your fender if you don't have a max mount, all right? Because you're gonna get a lot of rocks and spit up on the back of your bike, on the back of your shirt, on the back of everything if you don't have a max mount. So if you're gonna do a fender eliminator, make sure, a lot of people call it the bobber, you know what I'm saying, the bobber look. You're gonna wanna make sure you have a max mount. So quick install, quick install. It says like in instructions I seen about this. Like if you go to their website, newragecycles.com, it's gonna say about a 45-minute install. That must be also when with removing the rear fender, which I already have done, so I don't have to do that. So we're just gonna hop straight into this. You know what I'm saying? It's gonna be a quick, easy one. So as you guys see, I already have my wires already removed from here. So what you're gonna have to do is you're gonna have to Normax here to come help. Guys, so once you get your fender off and you're gonna be installing your new Rage light, what we're gonna do is we're gonna start by taking our 2 bolts that we took out from the top, T27s. We're gonna stick our light in there and just get it up here so we can know exactly how far the lights are gonna reach. The wires are gonna reach. So when we run our wires back down here, we'll know how far we have to bring them up. So quick 2 screws. Alright, got my ratchet. So I'm using the T27 to do this. Tighten it up nice and tight there. Alright. Alright, so as you can see, we have 2 wires which have the plugs on for the lights. So we have 1 on each side. So you're going to run them down each side of the bike. It actually has another wire right here, positive and negative. That's probably so you can tap into it later on if you want to tap like something else into it, extra wire, but it doesn't go to nothing right here, right now. So as you can see, I have my wires ran all the way down. Before I run them across, they were already ran down because I did the fender later, so I ran them down. I ran them up the side here. We're gonna run them up the side here. So now what I have to do is, before I do that, I want to figure out which wire goes to which side. So we're gonna be plugging these in to see and testing it before we get everything ran all the way. So we're gonna plug them in and we're gonna give her a test. So there we go with our running light there. So what we're testing, blinker is working here. Blinker on the other side. And let's hit the brake. All right, so now what I'm gonna do is, I'm just gonna unplug 1 wire. I'm gonna unplug this one here, right? And I'm gonna turn my blinker on. All right, so that tells me that I have this wire goes to my left side and this wire goes to my right side. So that's what I want to make sure, which wire goes to which side, because when you don't want to zip tie it all the way up and have your wires crossed and you put your left blinker on and your right blinker comes on and all that weird stuff. All right, guys? So that's easy peasy. All right, so now I'm gonna run them up. So obviously, looking at my wires, how they're made into the harness, 1 wire is a little bit longer because it goes to this side of the bike. That's obviously gonna be the one that's going to that side of the bike when you come back up too. So I'm gonna run my wires up like so. I'm gonna zip tie them and we're gonna plug them in. These wires here, I really don't know where I'm gonna zip tie them to. I really don't know where I'm going to tuck these yet to make them stay up. I'm going to get underneath that plastic there and then run it down like so and zip tie it to there. Are they going to stay under that plastic? Who knows? Do that on either side. So tucking it right underneath this plastic here, like so. And we're just running down and see where this loop is here. We're gonna use a zip tie through there to connect that to there. We're gonna use a zip tie to here to connect this to here. And we're gonna run these wires up and plug them in. So that's gonna be simple. So I'm just gonna come up here. like, you can throw some electrical tape on top of your connectors before you connect once you connect them. And if you're just a little nervous about water and stuff like that. All right, now I have them ran where I want to. Now I can finish buttoning them up down here around the. Around the side here. So I get my zip tie on there and get it ready, then I pull it tight like I want it, and then I tighten up my zip tie. So you want to get your stuff positioned properly. Figure something out with this. I think I'm gonna take this screw out here and put the wire underneath that screw, and then on the other side of that screw, and then put that screw back in. I think that would be giving me enough space still. All right, so as you guys can see, quick install for this one because I have my all right, so getting rid of this one. You know what I'm saying? I gotta fix all those wires up.
Getting rid of the fake thingamajig floating.
That was the floating
tail light.
Dope as hell, yo.
That we maneuvered and made on our own.
It was awesome.
Out of some links.
It was awesome. You guys loved it. He loved it.
I love it. I do love it.
Now it's
I love it.
Now it's big junk.
Now it's junk.
I'm just saying, yo, New Age, I just turned my freaking whole idea to junk, yo. You know what I'm saying? Why New Age do me like that, yo? You know what I'm saying? New Rage. New Rage just done me dirty, yo. You know what I'm saying? I came up with a great idea, and y'all had to upgrade on my idea. Can I have something? Can I have something? You know what I'm saying? I appreciate y'all, though. Y'all did send me the light. You know what I'm saying? So, all right, guys, if you guys want to get yourself one of these New Rage lights, one of these New Rage lights, what you got to do is you got to go to newrage.com, get yourself a light. You know what I'm saying? Yo. Not a bad price on these. I don't even know what the price was, but it was not that bad. You know what I'm saying? And if you want to get this and you didn't have doing a fender eliminator, you can still do this. You can just wire it in like I wired some of my other lights in. You can tap it into some of the other lights. There might be a company that sells splitters for the lights to that. There's probably different ways you can do this. I'm telling you right now, I'm 100% sure that you don't have to eliminate the fender to use this light. But if you want to use a plug and play, like I just did, you're probably gonna have to eliminate your fender. But you still can cut and wire. All the other lights I have on here, wired in. You know what I'm saying? If I was gonna keep the floating light, or if it wasn't plug and play, well, what I had it done, I would have had to wire it in. You guys know how to wire it in. You can check one of my other videos of me wiring stuff in. It tells you what wires go to which lights. That'll help you out. You know what I'm saying? If you're just looking for more visibility with your tail light, you know what I'm saying? Get one. Get yourself one. You know what I'm saying? Hit me up, Instagram, Facebook, ask me some questions. Not too many, but a couple questions. I can help you out. Newrage.com. Make sure you hit up the merch, kingjoffyjoe413.com. All right, guys, let's peace out. Next one. No, I'm joking. Let's see what it looks like. Here's the brake light. I mean the running light, brake light right here, brake light. Blinker. See how that wraps around to the side too? Goes around the side, you know what I'm saying? So if I didn't have these, the reason I put these on the side is because I didn't have a blinker on the side. But if I had this New Rage, I would have had the blinker. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying? So, you know what I'm saying? If you're looking to do a fender delete and you were wondering like, yo, what am I gonna do about taillights? What am I gonna do about taillights? You know what I'm saying? I've seen different stuff. I've seen people have their regular factory taillights like zip tied underneath their Maximo. Whack. New Age, they killed it, the game with this light. You know what I'm saying? I don't wanna see nobody with fenders no more because New Age just did a whole, you see this light? Yo, so if you was thinking about how to delete your fender and you're like, what am I gonna do with my light? New Rage has solved that problem. And if you're obviously thinking about relieving your fender, you're like, what am I gonna do with my plate? New Rage also sells the plate eliminator. You know what I'm saying? 2 birds with 1 stone. You can go to one website and have your fender eliminated with no time. You know what I'm saying? I got a video explaining how to eliminate the fender. I can't show you because I already done it. But guess what? My boy A, he wants to eliminate his fender so soon. He's probably gonna be hitting up New Rage. You know what I'm saying? To get him a light and get him a license plate relocator, and we'll show you how to remove his. I had a rally, so I had a half fender, but if we do his, he has a 900. He has a full fender, so we'll show you how to do a whole fender elimination. If you know what I'm saying, soon. If you guys want to see it, you gotta let me know in the comments if you want to see the whole video of me actually doing a fender eliminator remove, front and rear. If you want to see that actually being done, you let me know down in the comments. And make sure you like, subscribe, and share. And we out, bitches. No, peace. What up, guys? It's your boy kingjoffyjoe413 back with another one. How you guys doing? Chilling? You already know me chilling, like always. Kind of like mumbling in that. What up, guys?